honored and humbled to receive this award. It was a big surprise to me, and I honestly thought I might be in a bit of trouble when I first heard about the phone call, but then realized it was Doctors Manitoba. My next thought was, now that this has been recognized and I've been recognized for some of what I've been doing, it's time to take on more projects that I have going and work forward in the things that I'm doing.
So one of the things that Heather does really well is listen to people and connect with them as a person. Certainly there's a lot of our patients, I think, that get very nervous about coming to the clinic or the hospital to see their doctor and think they're going to be talked down to, and Heather has none of that. So she worked incredibly hard to start a teen clinic here locally, which has been very successful. To me, it's the promotion part that I think of with Dr. Lehmann winning the award. Is she has a smiling face when she shows up at work, whether it's the middle of the night or the middle of the day. She wears a Halloween costume on Halloween to come to the hospital to round and see patients. From that point alone, her promotion simply of health care is huge, because who wouldn't want to be engaged with a healthcare provider who's willing to be open and friendly and comes across as that every time you see her. The teen clinic as a safety measure for our teens in this area is huge. A safe place where they can go and ask questions that they're too embarrassed or scared to ask their parents or teachers or guidance counselors. She's able to promote that in a way that has let it become a standard thing, in particular in a fairly conservative community where asking those types of questions aren't necessarily always encouraged. So that combination of things that Heather does is just invaluable to our community.
I would encourage people to just get out there and try their ideas, especially the teen clinic. We didn't know if it was going to work. It could have been a complete flop for a number of reasons, and luckily it's been really successful and we've learned along the way. So one thing I've learned for myself is just get out there and try and see how the process goes.